Guys, what's up? How are you doing? Nice to see you here on this video where we'll talk about not having matches on Tinder, which of course can be quite frustrating. And just before we get into this video, I wanted to show you that I don't want to brag, but I just want to show you guys that I know what I'm talking about. As you can see, I'm sitting on a lot of matches that I still haven't wrote yet. And as you can see, ignore the math texts. It was Oktoberfest in Munich, so I wrote every match, hey, what's up, going to Oktoberfest today when I went. And basically, let's just talk about why you are not getting any matches on Tinder. So in the other tab here, I have my personal profile open, and I have talked about this in another video, but guys, your pictures are so goddamn important. Now, I have shown you in another video how many guys are trying to look like James Bond on their pictures, and while it might come off cool to wear your shades and have a six-pack on the beach, you don't seem very trustworthy or smart. So that's why you have to make sure that in your pictures, ideally in one picture at least you wear a suit, because wearing a suit boosts the value that other people give to you by a lot, even if you're doing it on the street. It's just how we are wired. And pictures that show off your hobbies, pictures that show you in a group setting. So that's always good. And when I work with my clients personally, I always make sure to split test their pictures before uploading them. Yes, you heard me right. I actually use some of the money that my clients give me in order for coaching to pay people to estimate the pictures on a scale of 0 to 10 in terms of smartness, trustworthiness, and attractiveness. And the pictures that score high in all three of those areas, ideally above 8, are the ones that we use. Now, I have similar pictures like this where I'm not smiling, but they don't appear as trustworthy or smart as this one. So here I have trustworthiness, smartness, and attractiveness as well. Now, attractiveness is, of course, a thing of genetics, and on top of that, personal type of the girl. But by having a good picture where you smile and have a good time, and that is shot professionally, ideally, not with a cell phone, will boost even Quasimodo would get matches if he has somewhat decent pictures. Now, personally, I don't like this picture, believe it or not. I don't like this picture that much because I don't know, you can see my gums and you can see some wrinkles on my eyes, but apparently it shows that my smile is very genuine and that I like to smile because of all the wrinkles around my eyes. So that's why this picture Tinder has declared as the winner of my profile, and that's why it is here. So what's the next picture? Me looking a little bit like James Bond. Now, as I said, you should ideally smile on your picture, but I sort of get a phenomenal reaction of women to this picture. Makes me kind of look like Christian Grey a little bit, and I'm always flattered when I hear that, so that's why I have this here. This one is actually not split tested. However, if you have a lot of good professionally shot pictures, you have to be careful that you don't appear too over-optimized, too try-hard if every picture is like from a photographer and perfect. So, pardon me, a selfie here and there, which isn't like the best, is not gonna hurt you. This is me at like an exposition. Actually, I could change that, but the thing is, guys, if you get a lot of matches, even without the optimal form of pictures, then you tend to kind of get lazy. But this is, for example, something that I could improve. Furthermore, this one as well is not, it is shot with a professional camera, but you actually can see it. And for some reason, I get amazingly high scores on this. Maybe it's because I appear smarter because of the glasses and I have a trustworthy smile. So this one also did very well. This one is, again, a pro picture. This is, let me see if I can play this. Oops. This is a boomerang, yes, of me stroking a cat, which is cute. And You can definitely, and you should definitely, in my opinion, use the advantage of boomerangs because it conveys a lot more than just a simple picture. However, make sure that the boomerang is not too much of a show off, not too try hard. And as you can see in my profile, I don't flash any cars. I don't upload any six-pack pictures. Even though I have a pretty decent upper body, I don't do that because it just comes across as weird. Actually, this is a picture I myself personally found very funny about the stereotypes of girls on Tinder, but I don't think that it's really good to keep it inside, so I'll change that in the future. Now let's get to the Tinder bio before we get into the Instagram pictures. So my size, basically quite a advantage to be tall. By the way, if you're not tall, just don't put it into your bio. Like, being honest is good, but I personally would think, in my opinion, if you are an awesome guy and you're a bit short, then after a few minutes of talking, the girl will be like, oh, it doesn't matter that he's small, he's cute as fuck and cool, so she'll still go out with you. So my text is sort of humorous and is supposed to make a laugh, and it's only working with my name. Getting lost in the supermarket as a child was scarring. Mama would call out my name and everyone would call out Polo, drowning out my pleas for help. So this is something that makes the girls laugh, and to be honest, I should write something about my hobbies afterwards. So that's again something that I should consider myself. I speak German, Serbian, and US English. I want somebody who's not smoking. I don't want human art projects. If you know what I mean, you know. Asian girls who are fucking 10,000 miles away. Now, it's weird, but a lot of Asian girls who are coming to the place where I live are like getting Tinder Gold or whatnot, and then they're matching me from 10,000 miles away, but like they never come. They only want to match and waste my time. So that's why I have that in I have that in mind, and basically these are some of my Instagram pictures that I have in there. I mean, it's some of them are pro pictures, some of them are like me showing like that are what I write to read, and some pictures where I look really cool with my friends, but at the same time, of course, I have some memes in there which girls who are under 30 really love. So that's just if you're wondering how to make your profile get a lot of matches, then this is like the little formula that I'm using. And if you also want me to turn your profile into a matchmaking machine, then go ahead and click on the link in the description and schedule a free consulting call with me where we'll go over your profile and make a strategy on how to improve your dating life, your online dating life by worlds. It will be a world difference. It will be like the difference between heaven and hell. So many guys are getting frustrated because they're not getting the results that they want, but just a few adjustments and that can change by a lot, guys. So yeah, actually a girl told me that I was like the top pick for Munich, and I guess if you are the guy who gets a lot of swipes right from girls, then that's how you become a top pick. So that's how you do it. I didn't know it before, how to become a top pick, but now I know. So if you enjoy the video, guys, like the video, comment. If you have any questions, I'll gladly answer them. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any videos. And if you are extra motivated, then click on the notification bell to get notified whenever a new video shows up. Anyway, free consultation call if you click on the link in the description and then schedule a consultation call with me. But please keep in mind that I have to know who I'm dealing with before I talk to them. So that's why I have implemented a little form, a little application form that you have to fill out when you are applying to a consultation call with me. And then we'll just see if we are a good fit, if we are supposed to work with each other, which is the case in most cases, but some guys simply are not fit or don't need any help, in my opinion. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for your attention. Really appreciate you coming here and taking your time. I hope you got some value from this video, and I hope to see you soon around on this channel. So thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.